Hey everybody, my name is Michael Brown. I'm the CEO of Swept and former office cleaning company owner. Clean Simple was the name of the company that we owned. It had 530% growth before we sold it. And I think the biggest thing my business partner and I were proud of is that we didn't compete on the lowest price. And that's what this video is about today. I'm in our office in Mountain View, California. So I'm not in the studio, camera's a little shaky, but I just want to get this information out to you. And so there's two real things that we did when we went into a space to give a quote. And number one was we did not sell our cleaning services. We didn't talk about how we cleaned the building. If we did, it was very, very minimal. We realized very quickly that when we were going in for the quote, they actually believed that we had the ability to clean the space. They just had to build trust around us. So we wanted to show them that we understood, really what the critical event is if a cleaner doesn't show up or if something's missed and the impact to them. So we would actually talk them through that. If one of our cleaners doesn't show up on your site, we see this as an issue because you're going to have a client come through the next day. It looks poorly on you. You're trying to uphold your reputation. Having a clean space is important to your clients. It's important to your employees. And that's how we would, frame it up. And that showed them that we were, not just so focused on, we're going to provide cleaning. We actually understood the importance of it. So that was one thing. And the other was to show them that we were different from other cleaning companies and that we actually were taking action to ensure that we were managing our team in a way that these critical events that could harm their reputation were not coming up. So we did that with our software. There's a variety of ways that you can do it. But that's what I want to share with you is you don't have to compete on price. There's a lot of people doing it because they don't know the value that they're creating and they can't communicate it. That's the biggest thing. If you can't communicate what you're doing in their space and the impact of why you should be there over someone else, you will be competing on price. So I'd love to get your feedback. Send a message to me. Check us out online. Hope this helps.